Hello. How are you doing, good people? We are here back again on this channel, bringing you good stuff as always. This is all we do. We give you good stuff. As you may suspect by just looking at that image right there, we are here in Washington, D.C. at the National Mall, and we are welcoming you, those that are coming in for the first time to see our videos here. Welcome to our channel, and feel free to participate in one way or another, including commenting, liking, and even sharing this video, as well as telling a friend to tell a friend to come here and see what is going on. So without any much further ado, as they say, I want to give you a little something to understand about this particular place where I am at. It is called the National Mall, and it is America's most important civic space, and it's a symbolic corridor which links the Capitol right there, the Washington Monument down there, and the Lincoln Memorial, which is farther down, and more than 100 monuments and memorials that are around this place. So if you are visiting Washington, D.C. as a traveler, as a tourist, or just coming to see what is going on, a quick mention of what is happening here, or what really happens around here. Right now is a Sunday morning, which means that there aren't as many people as you would expect. But also, what you're looking at right now is not usual. These cardboards that you see and the fences and all that, this is not usual. This is not usual in terms of how this mall looks like on ordinary days. The reason being, there's a lot of work going on, as you can see right there in the at the very front of the Capitol building. There's a tent there, and there are other tents around it. As you can see, there are works that are going on. Clearly not today, because being a Sunday, it's very unlikely that people will be busy working on this space. But from Monday, you see a lot of activity, of activity here on this mall, because they are trying to do construction as they prepare. And we have talked about this before in another video. If you haven't watched that video, please go and scroll down the videos, the list of videos on this channel, and you will see what it is that we have talked about in those videos regarding this particular space, and especially on the other side of it. That is where we filmed our last video about what's going on here ahead of the celebrations of 250 years of America's independence. Remember, guys, we are in Washington, D.C., and right here at the Capitol, right here, that's the Capitol building. That's me right there, and I am on the National Mall, which is stretching from that building down all the way to the National Monument, which you see there, very tall structure, and it goes farther down where we cannot see right now because of the obstructions that you see there. But farther down you will find all manner of monuments, including the Lincoln Monument, the what you call this gentleman, the civil rights activist Martin Luther King Jr. monument down there, Kennedy Center, and all those things are right down there here in Washington, D.C. So if you are a traveler, if you are just visiting, if you are what you are a visitor, in terms of, say, for example, you are a tourist from another country, this place is very, 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 very inviting, and there's a whole lot to learn about this place. It is the historic heart of Washington, D.C., and is designed as the central organizing landscape, as you can see, of the Capitol, and stretches, as I said, from U.S. Capitol to the Washington Monument, with West Potomac Park extending the monumental axis toward the Lincoln, World War II, Vietnam, Korea, MLK, FDR, and even Jefferson memorials. So there are so many memorials that are around here. And one more important thing to note. You see right across there, under these trees. You see right across there, I don't know if you can see some water coming down. Right there is a very, very famous museum, which is known as the National Museum of the American Indians. Right there. Right there. I want you to enjoy, and even here there's a squirrel. It's coming to visit to see what we are doing, and also enjoying the National Mall. See? Enjoying and running away now, because it has its friends there and relatives who are running all over. Yeah, guys, so we are just looking around. Here is even a pigeon or a dove. I don't know the difference really, but they are all here. Look at them, all enjoying the National Mall. The squirrels are enjoying, the doves are enjoying, the pigeons, and even the ducks. Look at the ducks. The ducks are enjoying. Oh, sorry guys, I was interrupted by something that happened here, but I was telling you to enjoy the water as it flows from the National Museum of the American Indian. Enjoy. And as you enjoy, maybe I can tell you really briefly, because I don't want this video to be too long. I hope you can hear me, guys. As you enjoy the water falling from the National Museum of the American Indian, let me tell you about the layout of this mall that I was talking about. It runs 1 mile from the Capitol to the Washington Monument. Then it also is framed by the Constitution Avenue on the northern side, and Independence Avenue in the south. Okay, and it consists of 8 long grass panels separated by cross streets like the one you are seeing right there, and some gravel paths like the one you are seeing right there. We are getting ready, guys, to drive, because I'm the one holding the camera, so you have to bear with me as we drive around here, and I try to give you a story or two about what's going on right here in these spaces. So that's the museum that I was telling you, American Indian Museum. There's a lot of history that goes down there that you can learn from there. Right ahead of us is what is called the Voice of America building. Voice of America. The truth is, the uninterrupted sight line between the Capitol and Washington Monument, which you just saw down there, and the alignment of the monument with the White House, which is further down to the right, is intentional, which symbolizes the relationship between the legislative and executive branches. What you are looking at right now is the Independence Avenue. And as you can see, there are some activities that are going on, which have pulled in some police officers. So it's down there to the Capitol. So now we're looking at that. So guys, all this the thing is, there is always some activity going on here, especially on Sundays, and you see the roads are closed. Right now, many roads are closed because there is activity going on almost every Sunday in these streets, clearly, because being the seat of government, there is always something going on, and actually it gets very boring driving around on weekends here because of the road closures. Like today, I don't know what is happening, but you see there's a lot of police presence, and on these many roads you can't even park your car, and that's what's going on. Independence Avenue, the building right there, is one of the government buildings. This is the headquarters for the Ministry of Transport, U.S. Department of Transport and Federal Aviation Administration. That's the building right there. Okay guys, this video ends right here. Thank you for having it to watch our videos. Consider subscribing, like the video. know a thing or two about life in general in these streets, this is your place to be today and always. For now I say